Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Gunjan Bhatt, Research Associate, DPIIT, IPR Chair, IIT Roorkee. And today I am going to talk about something that's all around us but often goes unnoticed. That is intellectual property. You may have heard about patents, copyrights, trademarks, but what exactly are they? Why do they matter to us? And how do they affect our daily lives? Let's begin with what is intellectual property. Intellectual property is any creation of the human mind. That means anything that is born out of ideas and creativity. It could be a new invention, a story, or a song, a logo, or a brand name, a machine, a design, or even something traditional that's unique to a place. It's not something you can touch or see, it's intangible but incredibly valuable. So, intellectual property is like owning your creativity. Once your idea takes a real form, like writing a book or inventing a product, it becomes your property in the legal sense. It's also important to know that IP has territorial limits. That means IP laws are different in every country. What's protected in India may not be protected in other countries unless registered there. Why do we call it property? Think about your house or a car. You own them. You can rent them, sell them. You pass them on to your children or your family or your friends or anyone. The same applies to intellectual property. When you write a book, invent something, or make a brand logo, you can sell it, license it to someone else, pass it on to others, and yes, of course, you can earn money from it. That's why IP is called property. It's your creation. It has value both in money and in reputation, and it deserves protection just like our physical property. Why protection of IP? Let's say you write a song after working on it for a month. Now imagine someone else copies it and uploads it online as their own. How would you feel? That's why protecting IP is important. It does two main things. It gives credit to the real creator. It allows the creator to earn money from their creation. If IP was not protected, people would keep copying ideas without permission and creators would stop innovating. Protection encourages people to create new things because they know their efforts will be rewarded and not stolen. There are different types of IPR, intellectual property rights. We classify IP into two major categories, industrial property and copyright. Industrial property includes patent, trademark, design, geographical indication, whereas copyright and related rights include literary and artistic works, music, film, software, and etc. Let's go through them. Patent protects invention, like a new machine or a new technology. Copyright, this protects creative works like book, music, movies, painting, software, and more. Trademark. This protects brand names, logos, slogans, things that help customers identify a product. Design. This protects the outer look or shape of products. Geographical indication. This protects products that come from a specific place and have unique qualities. Trade secrets. These protects confidential business information, which gives a business a competitive edge. How IP affects our daily life. Now, you might be thinking this is all technical stuff for big companies and lawyers. What does it have to do with us? Well, actually, IP is everywhere in our daily life. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are using products, services, and content that are protected by IP. Let's make you a day show with morning breakfast. For example, you wake up and take a cornflakes biscuit. That packet has a brand name which covers trademark. A recipe may be a trade secret. A packaging design is protected under design law. Even GI product come into play here. For example, if you drink Darjeeling tea or eat Nagpur oranges, you are using GI products unique to a region. If you go to your workplace and you open your laptop, use apps like Zoom, MS Word, or Canva, etc. All these have patents for the technology, copyright for the software, trademark for the brand. Even your college name and logos are protected. If you use social media and shopping portals, Instagram filters, music, YouTube videos, all are protected by copyright. When you shop online, the brand names, packaging, product, look, all involve trademark and design. You wear a branded shirt or sari, that brand is also protected by trademark. If you're wearing a Banarsi silk, that is a GI product which is unique to Varanasi. Entertainment you use watching a movie or listening a music or playing any game, that's all about copyright. It protects the rights of actor, musician, writer, and producer and developers. So you see, IP is not just a legal topic, it's a part of our life. Why IP is so important for us? Actually, IP ensures you get original trustworthy product and not fake ones. When someone creates something new, they deserve recognition and rewards. IP makes sure they get it. IP build trust in brands and businesses. For example, you trust Tata or Infosys because they have a strong identity. IP helps businesses grow, which leads to more job and a stronger economy. IP also protect traditional knowledge and cultural heritage. Products like appan art from Uttarakhand, Madhubani paintings, or Pashmina shawl from Kashmir carries stories of our rich heritage, and IP helps protect them. IP is all about ideas, creativity, identity, and growth. Whether you are an artist, an entrepreneur, a student, or just a curious learner, IP affects you. So, the next time you use your favorite app, wear a branded outfit, or have your anything, so you have to remember this, you are interacting with IP, that is intellectual property. Here are the references. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more content on intellectual property right.